The Communications Ministry has, of course, come under some heavy attacks since the content of the deal was made public. The strongest and the most consistent opposition to the deal has since been from Imani Africa. Deputy Communications Minister George Andah says if Imani has issues with the legalities of the contract, then it should go to court.
It is quite interesting, the position that Imani takes, and the fact that Imani keeps on shifting the goalposts whenever they come up with an issue. And you wonder what is Imani's motivation. If Imani's motivation is that this doesn't deliver value for money, with all due respect, you had a situation where with the previous arrangement, how much was being paid? How much is being paid with the current arrangement? You're looking at $2.6 million a month. Okay, for two solutions, that was traffic monitoring and revenue assurance. You're looking at the current situation of $1.49 million a month for traffic monitoring, for revenue assurance, for mobile money monitoring, and for fraud management. You're getting four solutions, okay, at 55% less than what was previously in place by the previous administration. Plus, most importantly, you're getting this information in real-time electronic format. Plus, you are getting a situation where at the end of the period of the contract, the equipment that you're using to monitor becomes owned by the government of Ghana. Now, let us state the facts. I mean, no business entity should be seen as an angel. I mean, yes, we have a relationship with them, we have a partnership with them, we respect them. As far as this issue is concerned, the issues that Imani has raised on value for money, the response is there. The issue that Imani has raised on the law, the response is there. The issue that Imani has raised on the procurement process, the response is there. The issue that Imani has raised on the capability or the capacity of the NCA and the Ghana Revenue Authority to manage or to operate or to acquire, operate and manage the system itself, the response is there. On every aspect, okay, Imani in its research should also know that these telcos operating in other countries have had issues, okay, of under-declaring taxes that the government should be benefiting.
Imani is not saying that other countries have not had problems. They are saying that we can have better ways of doing this than having an entity come in to do this, because they've had precedent to criticize the way it was being done in the past. And if it's been criticized the way it's been done in the past, then why is it now a new entity comes in and the criticism of the system of the way it was being implemented is now acceptable now? I mean, it's no. They feel there's a certain dichotomy.
Roland, maybe you also don't fully understand the issues. I've stated a number of areas. Procurement process, was anything wrong? The legal process, was anything wrong? In terms of the system architecture, can I land? In terms of the system architecture, was anything wrong? In terms of value for money, okay, you're moving from $2.6 million a month, okay, to $1.49 million a month, okay, where after the period of the contract, the equipment in its latest form, okay, becomes owned by the government of Ghana. I mean, clearly, you cannot say that this is not the right way to go. Okay, now as far as the technology is concerned, or as far as the policy is concerned, it is on record that the telcos themselves have said that they do not have any issue, they don't have any challenge with the government implementing the law. If Imani has an issue with the law, I think that the most reasonable thing for Imani to do is to go to court and challenge the law. The law was put in place by members of parliament. Okay, I mean, and Roland, let me remind Ghanaians that in December 2017, Imani themselves recognized the Ministry of Communications as the lead ministry in Ghana, as far as transparency was concerned, as far as open engagement was concerned, and as far as
public knowledge. You mean as a result of that, they can't question the actions taken by the ministry?
Can I land, please? As far as policy direction was concerned. Now, if you take these pillars on which Imani recognized the ministry, one would have thought that the reasonable thing for Imani to have done, if they had some information, was to at least have verified the truth of the matter with the ministry. Imani didn't make any effort. Imani never engaged the ministry. It's okay for Imani to challenge it, but when you challenge and the facts are put out there and it is wrong, you should eat your humble pie and allow us to focus on the work that we have to do.
All right.